Hey there, I have something that will definitely make a difference in your life, even within the first 30 days of joining. I know if you're listening to this podcast that you're someone that makes big decisions and solves hard problems. And I have a resource that I'm excited to share with you. If today's topic about why you keep breaking your boundaries resonates with you, I'd love for you to join me in the Reinvention Process private coaching program. This is your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. And you can join today for just $297 per month. You can email info@financialadventure.com and I'll personally answer any questions you have and send you all the details. So today I want to talk to you about why your boundaries keep breaking. And it's probably not because you don't know how to set them. Have you ever noticed that some of the smartest professionals struggle with boundaries? Not because they don't know they need them, but because they feel responsible. Responsible for their clients, responsible for their team, responsible for their family, responsible for making sure that everything gets done. The problem is, when you feel responsible for everything, it's easy to start saying yes to things that don't align with your priorities. A client needs something, a coworker asks for help, an email comes in after hours, a new project appears on your desk, and before you know it, the boundaries that you promised yourself that you'd maintain have disappeared. I've seen this happen with accountants, business owners, and high-stress professionals throughout my entire career. Many people think that boundaries are about learning how to say no. I don't think that's the real issue, though. I think the real issue is deciding what deserves a yes. Because every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. Your health, your family, your goals, and your peace of mind. One of the things that we work on inside the Reinvention Process private coaching program is helping you become intentional about where your time, your energy, and your attention goes. Not so that you can do less, but so you can focus on what matters most. Imagine what would change if you stopped feeling pulled in 100 different directions and started making decisions from a place of intention instead of obligation. That's when boundaries become easier. Not because life gets less demanding, but because you're clearer about what really matters to you. The Reinvention Process private coaching program includes 2 private 30-minute sessions each month, personalized email support between those sessions, and coaching and support focused on helping you create better decisions, stronger boundaries, less overwhelm, and a life that doesn't revolve entirely around work. And right now, your investment is $297 a month. If this sounds like something that you'd like support with, simply email me at info@financialadventure.com. Let me know that you're ready to get started, and I'll personally send you all the details and answer any questions that you have. Most people don't need stronger willpower. They need greater clarity about what truly matters in their life. If you'd like support in creating healthier boundaries and protecting what's important to you, and learn how the Reinvention Process private coaching program can help you, email info@financialadventure.com and I'll answer any questions you have and send you all the details. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.